How to prevent your partner from straying. For key tips for women over 50 in relationships. Men, like many male species in nature, often share certain traits such as a desire for conquest, enjoying companionship, and attraction to the opposite sex. These traits can make men more likely to stray in relationships compared to women. While this is supported by scientific research, love and marriage are built on exclusivity. So, how can women in their 50s keep their marriage strong and reduce the risk of infidelity? 1. Love him fully. Marriage is built on unconditional love. Loving your partner with all your heart is the foundation of a strong relationship. Love is not just about receiving affection, but also about giving it freely. By doing so, you create a deep emotional bond that is hard to break. Even if things don't last forever, giving your all in love is something to be proud of. Love yourself enough to love fully. And even if your marriage changes, at least you'll know you gave everything. 2. Focus on your beauty. Beauty is part of a woman's natural charm. Men are visual creatures, and a woman's appearance can spark interest. But beauty isn't only for attracting others. It's important for how you feel about yourself. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and taking care of your appearance can improve both your confidence and your mood. Taking the time to care for yourself not only helps you attract attention, but also boosts your own self-esteem. It's about feeling good about who you are. 3. Be financially independent. Financial independence is empowering, especially for women. Having control over your own money gives you freedom and security, allowing you to make choices that benefit your well-being. It's important to never feel financially dependent on anyone, as having your own income provides freedom and stability. In a marriage, financial independence ensures you're not trapped in an unhealthy situation. It gives you the power to take care of yourself and make decisions that are best for your life. 4. Never stop growing. The most dangerous thing in a marriage is stopping personal growth. Both partners need to evolve together. A relationship thrives when both individuals are learning, growing, and becoming better versions of themselves. Growth keeps your marriage fresh, interesting, and fulfilling. As you age, continue developing your mind, your spirit, and your skills. Personal growth keeps you young at heart, ensuring you remain an exciting partner. A growing woman is always attractive, and when both partners grow together, the relationship becomes stronger. By focusing on love, beauty, financial independence, and growth, you build a marriage that's fulfilling and secure. It's about creating a strong foundation that keeps both partners happy and connected.